Hi everyone, and welcome back to Semi's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. So on the menu today we have a half a chicken, and I'm just gonna put this in the air fryer. So we're making a mesquite chicken, okay? And here are the ingredients that I'm using. I have my mesquite rub, black pepper, my complete seasoning, and I added in a tablespoon of sugar. So what I did, I put about 2 tablespoons of each and a tablespoon of sugar, and I just mixed it all up, and here we are. So we're just gonna go ahead and put our seasoning on our chicken, rub it all down, and I'm gonna be doing this in my air fryer. I have my air fryer going at 350 because I wanted to take its time and go ahead and bake. I don't want it to go too fast and then you have the skin crispy and the inside not done properly. So I have that going at 350, and I'm gonna do this for about 50 minutes. Okay, I did wash my chicken in some vinegar and water, and I cleaned it up, removed all of the excess fat, or I also poked holes in it so my seasoning, once I rub it all in, my seasoning could get into the breast part of the meat and in through the thigh and leg down underneath, okay? And I also just cleaned it up, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my seasoning on, and we're gonna do both sides. So, you know, season to taste, I'll say that. I like my food well seasoned. So I'm going to put some on there. Then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to do the other side. And I'm just going to rub that in, get underneath the skin and get into all the crevices underneath the wings. Get underneath the skin there. And I'm leaving the skin on because I want to keep some of that juice in there. You could take the skin off if you want. That's perfectly fine. But I want to leave the skin on, okay? So I'll be back. I'm just going to go ahead and season this all up, rub it all down, and put it in my air fryer tray. And I'll be right back. All right, you guys. So here's my chicken. It's all seasoned up. And like I said, I poked holes in there so I could get seasoning in there as well. And that also helps with the cooking process. So you could test your meat really good and see that it's cooked all the way through. So I got underneath the skin. I got the underside. Okay. And that's it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put this in my air fryer. I have my air fryer warming up. It's at 50 minutes. So I'm just going to put this on my tray. And we're done. So I'm going to put this in my air fryer and I'll see you guys back at 25 minutes when I get ready to check it, okay? Be back. Okay, you guys, here we are. We are at 32 minutes so far, and this is what we're looking like. I'm just going to go ahead and flip it over, turn my chicken over, and then we're going to continue to let it go, checking it periodically, okay? Okay, you guys, here we are. Our chicken, we have 15 minutes left on our timer. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and flip it back over so we could get that other side cooking some more. All right. And this is what we're looking at. We've been cooking this for approximately 45 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and let it continue for the next 15 minutes. And then we're going to come back, test for doneness. And then if it's all done, we're going to take it out and plate it up. All right, you guys? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so our air fryer has finished. We cooked this half a chicken for 50 minutes on 350 in the air fryer, and we are all done. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much, you guys. Bye.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is